Devauna Mum. Devauna Mum.
Yo, my guy. Sweat. Oh. No way, bro.
You know, I wonder if I push my head, just push my head through these things there, if my head will get stuck.
Swear it out.
Well, let's see. Oh, me bottom.
No, stop. That's a lie.
Man, I'm so bored.
Never. Could never.
Oh, we have an idea. Vanna!
1 second.
Vanna, come here, son.
Yes, mom.
Vanna, come to my youth.
Okay. 1 sec. Bro, I'm gonna call you back, man. It's my mum.
Come.
I know. Every day. It's annoying.
Come.
Come in. I'm gonna call you back. Okay. Alright, bye. Yes, mom. Yo.
Vanna.
What's all the screaming about?
I'm bored.
Why are you sitting on the stairs?
I want to play a game.
Alright, just give me a second. Let me just go toilet.
No, you can't go toilet yet. No, wait, you can't go past that. No, Vanna, stop. Alright.
So, I can't go past you and go toilet now?
Vanna, listen.
Okay, what are you saying?
I'm bored.
Bored.
And I want to play a game with you.
You wanna play a game?
Yeah, man.
Game? Oh, what game should we play?
So let's think about what game to play. What game should we play, Vanna?
How about we do some boxing? Boxing will be good? Absolutely not.
You know, remember the last time when we broke up my arm?
Is she really? I'm gonna dodge her punch. I'm gonna dodge it.
No boxing.
No boxing.
We can play foosball?
No. Last time you broke the thing.
Bullet! What a goal!
The thing said it scared me. So no.
It was the quiz that made my breath smell like... It's fine.
How about Street Fighter but real life?
Real life Street Fighter.
No, that's a good idea.
The last time we did that, you kicked me out of the window. So understanding. Opening the window for my lovely mum.
Alright, cool. No Street Fighter.
Absolutely not.
How about wrestling? The Rock, if you can smell what the Rock, but mom is cooking.
Did you just say wrestling? No. Nope.
Well, I think we should just do wrestling because I can be John Cena. You can't see me.
You can't see me. That's it. I've got it. I've got a perfect game. Hide and seek.
Okay.
It's perfect. I know you play that. It's easy to play, mum. All you have to do is you hide and then I count and find
Counting.
It's all about using skills and also
Really good at counting.
you're good at counting, right?
Yes, I'm really good at counting.
No, let's do it. Come on, mum. Let's go. Hide and seek.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so here's how it's gonna go. I'm gonna go first and I'm gonna count.
Okay.
And you're going to hide, okay? So when I turn around, I'm gonna count and you hide.
You do what?
I count, you hide.
So you hide and I count. I count. You hide. No. You hide. I hide and you count.
Cool. You got it.
Got it. All right.
Alright, I'm gonna close my eyes.
So we're gonna start now.
Ready? Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. Mum, what are you doing? You're meant to hide. I've just counted.
What?
Now you go and hide.
This is not a good hiding place. Look, you can't see me. If I can't see you, you can't see me.
Why are you still here?
Factor of life and science. If I can't see you, then you can't see me.
Let's run it again. Let's go again. We'll go again. Okay?
Go again.
I'm gonna turn around and count to 10, and you're gonna go and hide.
Okay, I meant to go hide. Go hide. Not try to hide, but alright.
Okay. Got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ready or not, here I come. She's right there. She's literally right there. I can see. Mom, I can see you.
No, you can't.
No, yes, I can.
No, you can't see me.
Mom, I can see you. Right. I'm not here.
I'm not here.
Mom, you're literally right. Mom, you're literally right there. No, you can't. That's not how the game works. No, you can't. Hi, Mom, I see you. No, Mom, that's not how it works. You're right there. No, Mom, wait, stop it. I see you. Come out. Let's go.
All right. Okay, so what's the problem?
Mom, listen. No problem.
Oh, no problem
At all.
Alright.
It's my turn, okay? So I'm gonna hide,
Okay, alright.
and you're gonna count.
Counting. Oh, okay.
You know how to count, right?
Count.
Just count with me, okay?
Okay, fine. 1, 2,
3.
5, 7.
What is that?
Is that not all you count?
That's not, no.
all we do.
It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
3, 4.
10. Yeah, 10. Yeah, that's it.
Alright, we get it. Alright.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Hey,
Oh,
Mom.
sorry.
What are you doing? You cheating.
No. I wasn't trying to cheat.
I literally just caught you peeping.
Something was just in my eye.
No, Mom, you're cheating.
See, me get it. You see that? Fluff. I'm not a cheater, human feeder.
That was in your eye. Really? Okay, alright. Cool. Count again.
Okay, I will count again.
Alright, cool, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here is Mom. Here I come. Oh, here it is. Let him go. Man, boy. Where you there?
Bana, I'm over here.
Something. Stealth mode, ninja mode. We can't hear him.
Man, good never the boy in this.
3, 5, 4, boom. I smell the blood of a Jamaican boy. Bana, he in here. You call him, Mom. Yes, me do it. You done good. I mean, I kind of gave you a clue. You didn't help me, man. No. Me find you all by myself.
Okay, yeah, you found me by yourself, no help.
Me find you with my brains and my wits.
Okay, cool. So, okay, Mom, I'm gonna count and you're gonna hide. But this time, think about if there was a person breaking into the house trying to steal all the food.
The food.
And you wanted to hide the food somewhere safe.
Keep it safe, yes.
Where would you hide it? I know just the place. I'm gonna count, okay?
Alright, you count.
I'll count here.
You go count here.
You go hide.
You will never find me, Bana. You will never find me.
1.
Alright, bye.
2, 3, 4,
Hide.
5, 6, 7,
They will never
8,
find me food. Never.
10. Ready or not, here I come. Where is she? Where is she?
Hide me food.
Is that the door?
Hide me food.
Hang on.
Right there, so he will never find me there.
There is no way she chose to hide outside.
Yes, hide.
You know what? Confidence.
Him will never find me here. Him will never take away my upstairs.
Now it's my time to shine.
Hide.
You're gonna stay out there, Mum. You're gonna stay out there.
Much later.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, I beat you. No, but I beat you, Mum.
Sorry, Mum, but...
Scissors, oh.
No, I'm not sorry. You can't hear me. You can't see me. Because you're outside.
Oh, don't do that. Yes, you do that.
You know what? Let's stay in there.
Why am I take so long? This game will get boring.
2 hours later.
Oh my gosh, I'm back again.
Oh, Mum, you're watching that. Oh, wait. No, you're not.
Bro, this is everybody saying.
You are outside.
Am I the only one?
Right, time to watch some Rashawn Z. Ash.
Eddie go, literally, Eddie go.
Mom, if you want to watch the TV, you better come out and stop me.
Vana.
10 seconds later.
Time. Alright, let's go. Oh, I'm so hungry. Mom, if you want some food, come to the kitchen. Oh no, wait. You don't because you're outside. Hiding. Blimey, what's that? And I'm gonna eat it just like that. What doesn't kill me make me stronger. Ooh.
No,
I'm still hungry though. Swallow it, Mom, swallow it.
12 o'clock midnight.
Just getting a little bit tired.
What a long day of nothingness.
Hold on there. Let me just get a little bit comfortable. Oh.
Mom, I very much hope you're having a good time hiding. Because for me, it is bedtime.
Night, Bob.
One sec, let me hit that light.
The next day.
Oh, man. Oh, let me take out the bit. Woo. Oh my goodness. I honestly forgot about her.
God, please make sure she doesn't kill me.
Hey, yo, Mom! Mom, you've done it!
Yes, Devauna.
There you are! Yo! I've been looking for you like forever! Well, you're really good. Like, who would have ever thought out here winning the game?
You are such a good hider.
How could you outsmart me?
And you know what I got in my GCSEs? A's, and more A's. You are so good at this game. I'm confused. All this game work.
No need to be confused. You're just really good. I've been looking for you all night. I'm on in time. And talking about night, I'm gonna go in and shower and
But kiss me, Granada Fairy.
get ready for work, okay?
I'll catch you in a bit. Wait. Stop.
What?
So you need to tell me, sir, I did sleep out here all night?
And you never find me? So you left me out here all night?
No.
So that must mean that you is really bad at the game. I find something that you bad at.
Yeah.
I am the queen of hide and seek.
Yeah.
Go mom, go mom, go mom, go mom, go mom, go mom, go. Me think we need to try out for the Olympics.
Olympics.
Yeah, sure. If me beat you, then I can definitely beat everybody else.
Yeah.
And I can be England's princess. Oh yes, that would be so good, man. Yes. Well, I'm going to practice and go hide again. Okay. You can't see me, okay? You can't see me.
Yeah. No.
You can't see me. I can't see you. I can't. Where are you, Mom? Where are you? Camouflage. Camouflage. You can't see me. Camouflage. Carry on, Mom. Chris Brown, I'm so liar. Chris Brown, Hey, camouflage.
Bye, Mom.